Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome into a new math lesson. Factors. Ahmed has 6 toy cars and he wants to show it in different ways. How can he show it? Draw. Okay, so he has 6 cars and if we want to draw it, we can draw it like this way. So here we have one row and 6 columns. So it's what? It's 1 times 6, which equals 6. Or we can make them like this. I can make them 6 rows and 1 column. So it's 6 times 1, which equals 6. Or I can make them like this. 2 rows and 3 columns. So it's 2 times 3. Or I can make it like this. 3 rows and 2 columns. So it will be 3 times 2 equals 6. So here, when I arrange the 6, I have different way. I can say it 1 times 6 or 6 times 1, 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 by using the commutative property. Or I can just say that 1 and 6 and 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So, what the meaning of factors? Factors are like the family of number but in multiply. So, when I say 5 times 4 equal 20, the 5 times the 4 together, they give me the 20. So they are the factors of 20 because when I multiply them, I got the 20. And the 20 is product. Or I can name it another name. I can name it multiple. Multiple. So the factors here are the components of the number, but when we multiply, and the answer of multiply, we call it multiple. If I told you 12 equals 1 times what? Give me 12. Okay, 1 times 12. So we can say that the 1 and the 12 are factors of number 12. Okay, 12 equals 2 times what will give me 12? 2 times 6. So 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. The 12 equal what? 4 times what? 4 times 3. Super. So we can say that the 3 and 4 are factors of 12. So here, what are the factors of 12? 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. They are how many factors? 6 factors. And each 2, I call it pair. So that 12 has 3 pairs of factors. How can I get the factors? We have some way is called factor rainbow. We have something is called T-chart. And finally, we have something is called factor tree. Okay, the first way is the T-chart. When we ever want to get the factors of a number, we're going to start with 1. Because 1 is a factor of all numbers. Why? Because any number, when I multiply it by the 1, it gives me the same number. Because the 1 is the multiplicative identity. So when I ever want to get the factors, we're going to start with 1. Here I want to get the factors of 8, so I'm going to start with 1 and 8. What else? After I take the 1, I should try with 2. 2 times what will give me 8? 2 times 4. Then 3 times anything will give me 8. No, 8 is not in table 3. That's wrong. So I can take the 3. So I'm going to take the 4. 4 times what will give me 8? 4 times 2. But I already wrote 2 and the 4. So when you ever start to repeat the factors, stop. So we're going to stop here because when we repeat the factors, so they are the same factor and there is no new factors. So here the factors of 8 are 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. How many factors? They are 4 factors or 2 pairs of factors. Now the rainbow factor, we're going to start with 1. 1 times what will give me the 8? 1 times 8. So draw the arc. Then we have 2 and 4. 3 times anything will give me 8? No. 4 times anything will give me 8? Yes. 4 times 2. But I already wrote the 2 and the 4 already. So there is no need to repeat it or use the commutative here. Okay? So the factors of 8 are what? Are 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. Another way, we have the factor tree. The factor tree, we're going to write the number that I want to find the factors of it up. Here we want to find the factors of 8, so write 8 up. Now how can I get the 8? Start with 1. 1 times what will give me 8? 1 times 8. Then after I take the 1, I should try the 2. 2 times what will give me 8? 2 times the 4. So here 2 times 4. 3 times anything will give me 8? No. And 4 times 2 is already repeated, so stop. So the factors of 8, 1 and 2 and 4 and 8. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and that's it for today.